Larissa bought a $240,000 house, paying 10% down and financing the rest at 7.8% interest for 15 years. How much will she really pay for her $240,000 house? So, first things first, we need to identify all the information in the question. So, the cost of the house is $240,000. However, she made a down payment of 10%, which means she made a down payment of $24,000. So that means she doesn't have to borrow the full $240,000 from the bank. She needs to borrow whatever's left over after she makes the down payment. So to find the amount that she borrowed from the bank, we're going to take 240,000 minus the 24,000 and we're going to get 216,000 is what she's going to have to borrow from the bank. So our APR is 7.8%, which is 0.078. This is over the time span of 15 years. And she is going to make monthly payments, even though it doesn't say that in here. Typically, loans are paid off monthly. So we know our N is going to be 12. Our principal, what we're starting with, what she owes is $216,000. And the time of the loan is 15 and the APR is 0.078. So we're going to use the loan installment formula to find her monthly payment. That's part A. So here's our loan installment formula. It's already solved for our payment. So we just have to make sure we put in all of our values for each of those variables. And when we put that in on GeoGebra to do the arithmetic, we get that Larissa's monthly payment is going to be $2,039.35. So we're going to need that for part B. Now, part B says how much will she pay in total, but it says without looking at the down payment. So basically, how much is she going to pay in total with the payments? So since we're doing this monthly, for 15 years, that means she's going to make 180 payments. That's 15 times 12. So she's going to make 180 payments of her monthly payment, which is the $2,039.35. So when we take 180 times the amount of her monthly payment over the whole course of that 15 years, she's going to be paying a total of $367,083. Now remember, this is without the down payment. If the question asked in total with the down payment, then I would have to additionally add the $24,000 down payment to that. Now for part C, it says, how much are you going to pay in total in interest? So if she paid over the 15 years $367,083, and the amount of the loan, what she borrowed was $216,000, whatever is the difference is going to have to be what she paid in interest. So we're going to take the total number of payments minus the amount of the loan that she borrowed, and then what's left over is the interest. So when we take $367,083 minus the amount of the loan, which was $216,000, and we subtract, we got $151,083 in interest for that full 15 years.